Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also show you what I have on hand. Yes, it's a brand new AirPods. This is a clone of the AirPod version 2, how it really works and how much we really like it to have it on our hand. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and share this with your friends and family. Plus, click the notification icon. This way you will be notified once we have a new video out. Plus, make sure you click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos quickly for you. And if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video or any other networks that we have. We love to help you out ASAP. So here you go. So this is the website that I went through to get this. Yes, by the way, this has been sent to me by the Ear Company, which is located in the States. And I will walk you through step by step of what I have done and why I really like this. So this is the website that I was onto, and I was just checking out to see what they really have, just like all the other companies that have AirPods and TWS earbuds. So I was just going through it and I just saw this is really like caught my attention is how good it really looks once you go to their website. And scrolling down, they have really good high-end based ear dots, and also they have the ear dot Beats headsets. Another thing they brought up for us, or was indicated to us, is lifetime warranty. Yes, they have lifetime warranty. You misplace it, you drop the one piece and you don't know where it is, and they will replace it for you in a jiffy. So that is really cool. They have everything on this website. I will place this link in the bottom so you can check and you will be able to learn more about it. You can see there is some frequent questions that a lot of people ask, even me, is this really compatible with Android phones? And yes, I don't have iPhone. I have Android. I have Note 9 and I have Yumi Digi S2 Pro, which is about 2 years old, and I still use it till today. Another good thing is that is the shipping free, of course. When they ship it to you, it is free. And also, how fast can I get it? So by regular air, since I am in Canada, it took about 5 days. And that's a business days. So that's about a week, 7 days, basically, for me to get it. But if you want to get it faster, they have different options. But again, really worth it to just buy it. And I'm sure you're going to really like this. So go through it and you will see really cool things. So the one that I received is called the Matte Black. I really like this and I wanted to see it on hand to see exactly how it looks. And I will bring it in a few seconds and I will show you exactly how this is done. I want to mention one more thing, that this is not sponsored video, and also so I am not affiliated with them. And when you place an order, I am sure that you will take the benefit of it, because if you even misplace it, or you lost it somewhere, or you lost a pair, or you just broke it, or something happens to it, these guys will replace it for you in a jiffy. That's what really sticks out about this company. And what I wanted to show you guys is where they're located. So what I did is I went all the way in the bottom, and under Get in Touch, you can see that it says we're located in this location right here, and it says Los Angeles. Beautiful. That's what I wanted to see. So they're not in China, they are in US, and all type of payments that they can accept is in the bottom. Enough said about this. Let's go back into the video itself. Once you look on the case itself, it's very tiny. It's just a little square. It does have a little mark on the top. It says dots. Yes, it's not AirPods, it's ear dots. And the link for this website again going to be in the bottom. So it looks beautiful going around it. And once we take it out, so all the components are in it. So the first thing you can see is the actual user manual, which says AirPod. It does not say version 1, version 2, just AirPods. And when you go to it, it's very similar to one that you get with Apple. But they have some little changes in it. And if you have the real one and you go into right now, put it side by side, you will see the difference. So here is the wire. So it is a lightning cable on one side and USB on the other side. It is long, but it has not been circled like how Apple does it, which again stands out. I really like this. And we're going to go to the ear dot itself. You can see that it has a little plastic. Once we take that out, and we're going to slide it out, and here you go. So this is how it really looks. From the front and the back, it has a really nice matte black case. And when you put your finger on it, it does not leave any kind of fingerprint residue going around it. It has a nice cut in the back, just like the actual real one. Going on the bottom, you have the connection for power, which you're going to put your lightning cable there so that we can charge it. And then going to the front part of it, you have a little dot, so that way when you open it, it shows how much charge it have. And then once you see inside of it, you have the matte black earbuds. It looks awesome. When we take it out, you can see it that it is designed really nice, and it's exactly like the actual one. So let's get this paired first, and we will show you exactly how everything works. Alright, so let's get this connected to the Note 9 that we have on hand. You can see that I already have the older version, and this one is called AirPods. It's already have it on the list. Now this is going to be my second one, and this one is called EarDots. Let's see what name it will show up. So we will go down and click on Scan. And now let's go here and just open the top, so this way the green light comes on and it should give me a name. And that's what we are waiting for. So it's still scanning. And there you go. The first one that comes up says Ear Dots or EarPods. Again, it says EarPods, and you have to click on OK to be connected. Remember that this is created for Apple, but we're just going to connect it to the actual phone that we have, which is Android phone. So here you go. Once it gets connected, you have full access. We will go into our YouTube and we will just try to play something, so this way we can show you that this really works. So right now it is playing, but now once we try to tap on it twice, it stops. And now when we tap twice again on it, it's still working. That's I really like is how easy it is to be connected. And another good thing that I really like is we will go back and we will try to place this back into the docking station. And if I go back into my Bluetooth, you can see it is connected and it says that it has 100% charge. But once we put it in and we will close, it gets disconnected very soon. There you go. Now it is disconnected. It's set in the bottom. How easy it is. Now if I open it and I take it out again, it automatically reconnects itself and it will be able to be used again. Now when I try to use this with the phone itself, it's not that bad. The voice is really good. Also, when I was trying to play some songs and when I paired this to see exactly how good of a bass it gives me, it's not that bad again. It's not going to give you the exact same bass as the real one of these that came out from Apple, which is called the second generation EarPods. But it's not bad. The price that comes in and also the matte black, the way that they created for this and for the docking station, it really worth having this. So I'm going to use this from now on. This is going to be one of my favorite ones, plus the one that I used from before, and I'm going to use this for daily usage. So another thing I want to mention to you guys is, since I am using an Android phone, if this is going to be able to connect just like the iPhone, when you take it out and when you put it back in the earpiece itself in the charging dock, if it's going to connect really quick or not. And here you go. So you can see that once I take it out, it says out. It says connected. And when I put it back in, it says disconnected. So that's how fast it connects and disconnects. So here is some little details about this earbuds itself. You can see that it has the sensors in the back and also the mic so you can listen. Going on the top part, you also have the little dot. So this is where the sensors are, and also you have the mic on the top. And this is also supposed to listen to you, but most of the time I tap it, it changes the song or it stops, which is a really cool thing again. But the dots are in a proper place. Going in the front, you have the mic on this part that it will really work. And also it knows when you connect it to your ear that it is inside of your ear and it's not inside of the charging dock itself. But you have the proper portions there too. Now going in the part of it right here, it does indicate little L. That means this is for left. And when we go to the right one, it has the same type of marking here that will tell you this is the right one, which we really like about these earbuds. Remember that these are day by day getting very good and even better than the actual ones. So we will place it back in the case and we will go next. So this was our take on what EarDots brought us and how good this is. I want to mention that everything works perfect. Links will be available where you can order it from, and if you need more information will be available on our website. which is exitex.info. I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment in the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is exitex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places, and thank you.